Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious, high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, active suspension system, heated front seats, electronic stability control, brake assist. Come take a test drive today.